Why nothing is happening with Bitcoin, bratans, and I have some save the dates for you because this week could be very bumpy. And why? Let us watch here into the calendar which I posted in the Telegram group, which is by the way for free. So first thing which come today, this is the tech company earnings. We will have today Microsoft and Google. Tomorrow we will have Facebook, and the 28th we will have this week Amazon. And negative growth, as I wrote, negative growth expected. And the thing is, if we will have the negative growth, so nothing will happen. We are speaking about the stocks, right? But the stocks are always influencing the crypto market. So these tech companies are represent, I think, approximately 18% of the S&P 500. So obviously, if the negative growth comes as expected, nothing will happen. If it comes even more negative, we will see a drop in the Microsoft price, in the Google price, in the Facebook, and so on and so on. But if it will be positive, then we will see a rise in these stocks, in these concrete stocks like Microsoft, Google, and so on. And this would bring the S&P 500 up. And if the S&P 500 is up, so does also Bitcoin, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. So this is very crucial that you understand. If not, just play a little bit back and try to understand it again. So this is one of the indicators which we have to watch. This is the first thing. Write you down all these dates, or just join the Telegram group, which is absolutely for free. The second most important thing is the GDP report for Q1. We will have it on 27 April. Expectation is 1.8% up, and this is very positive. However, in my opinion, this is already priced in the market. So will it come at 1.8%? I think we will not see much happening in the market. Will it be more positive, so even better? Will we see the stock market and the crypto market will go up? Will it be even worse than expected? I mean, no, it's good expect 1.8, but will it come at 1.5, 1.4? We'll see a drop in overall markets in the crypto and also in the stock market. So GDP, very, very important to watch. This is the whole global economy watching the GDP as or the GDP of every country, or especially of the US. To watch is a country in a recession or not. So if the GDP starts to be negative, this is when a country is officially entering a recession. This is the reason why nobody is right now officially speaking of a recession, because there's no negative GDP at the moment. So now let us go to the third, one of the most important things which will be revealed today is the PCE, personal consumption expenditure or index report. It will be on the 28th April revealed, and this is the Fed's measure of inflation. So will there be the PCE even more worse than expected? We will see massive drop in the market, in the crypto and in the stock market. Will the PCE will be better as expected? We will see grow in the market. So very important, save the date. PCE will be revealed on the 28th April. These dates you have to write it down, make an alert. I have alert in my calendar, because this is very important in order if you want to trade the market, because on these dates it's really easy to trade the market. Not in the moment when it gets released, because there is a volatility to the up and downside, but it's very clear if it's come worse than expected, we will see drop in the overall market. Is it come better, we will see a pump in the overall market. So very important. If you want to join, by the way, the group absolutely for free, just make a registration on ByBit through my link and deposit $500 on your ByBit account, and you get the free access to this Telegram channel where you have the saved dates, you have upcoming dates for the next weeks always, and you have 2 altcoin signals, and you have a Discord channel absolutely for free. Telegram crypto course in the Discord channel absolutely for free. So now let us quickly have a look on Bitcoin, because how it can influence Bitcoin. And as I told you, bratans, and of course, if we will have here today a negative Amazon, Microsoft and Amazon. Now, what is coming today? Wait a minute. Let me double check again. Today is coming Microsoft and Google. If it will be worse than expected, then we will see obviously Microsoft and Google dropping down, and we will see the S&P 500 drop, and so does also Bitcoin. So we will see here going to the weekly support at 25,200 at least. So be prepared for it. If you are in a short position here, watch out for the earnings of Microsoft and Google, or Microsoft and Google. Yes, very, very important to watch. In case they're coming better than expected, then obviously we will see Microsoft and Google stocks go up, and so does also S&P 500. So we could see here a bounce to the daily resistance line to 28,400. Very, very important to watch. Ethereum, very easy to trade, in my opinion, if you are watching Bitcoin, because in case we see the Microsoft earnings very negative, we will see S&P 500 drop, and so does Ethereum potentially to 1,754. Will the news be positive? We will see S&P 500 pumping Bitcoin, and so does also Ethereum, because what is the leading indicator for Bitcoin? S&P 500. So does the leading indicator for Ethereum is Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin pumps, then Ethereum will pump to 1,925. So this could be then a long opportunity, right? Very clear in my opinion. You see here the S&P 500 open right now, and we are retesting here today this crucial support line, this yellow support line, which is a support line of this symmetrical triangle. You see I extended a little bit, and in case we are breaking this down, we will see here the S&P 500 retesting here this 2 years support line. I can zoom out again if you didn't watch my videos since months. If you watch it, then you know it. Here it's a massive resist line since 2021. Resist. Here it turned into a support, and we could here see a massive drop down of the S&P 500 and a free fall of 7%. This could massively hit also Bitcoin, because if S&P 500 drops by 7%, if we will have throughout negative news, so if all the earnings of Microsoft, Google, Facebook, Amazon coming even worse than expected, then we will obviously see here a retest of this 3,818 support line. Very important, very crucial for us not to break this support line, because in case we are breaking this support line to the downside, if we are breaking the support line to the downside, then we are expecting also Bitcoin at least to go to 20k, because this will be very, very negative for the S&P 500. We will see free fall even worse of the S&P 500. Very important, bratans. So in my opinion, this is very, very clear. So please do your own research always. Save the date, watch out, and do your own research with us. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.